So hi guys, Trumpy here. I have started this series to improve my communication skills, in which from 400 days I will post a single video where I will speak in English about 5 to 10 minutes on daily basis. So without further delay, let's start. In this video, I will share you about three I will tell you about the story in which there are three characters. The Solomon, the wise prophet, why he was wise we will further notice. We will further know. The angel of that whose name was Israel and the poor person. Why he was poor, we need to know further. So without being further delay, let's start. In this video, without being further delay, let's start. So once a day, when Solomon the wise prophet held his daily audiences, where he addressed the problem of their people and trying to give a solution. As we all know that in earlier days, the kings and the ministers need to do these types of audiences. So once a morning, a poor person came in his court. The poor person was very distorted and anguished. His anguishedness noticed his anguishedness was noticed by the Solomon. So he beckoned him forward. The poor person feel grateful, so he need to attend the whole queue to meet the Solomon. The Solomon asked, "Who made you such anguished? Why are you so distressed?" The poor person said, "My lord, when I was roaming in the market, I saw the glimpse of Azrael, the angel of that. He saw me worthfully, and I get so distressed about my life." The Solomon said, "Azrael follows the orders of God, so and he without fail. Sorry. The Solomon said, Azrael, the angel of death, follows the order of God without fail. So, what you have me do? What should I do?" The poor person said, "My lord, I beg you to." So the poor person said, "My lord, I beg you to tells the wind to carry me in to the India, where I will where I will save from the harm of Israel." The Solomon tells the east wind to carry that person in India and lay him down wherever he wants. Following the days, the angel of that show his glimpse to the Solomon itself, where the Solomons beckoned him and asked, why do you give such a worthful look?" At that point, people need to abandon their houses and livelihood. The Solomon, what was the what was that poor person did to you, so he deserve your worthful look. The Solomon, the Israel angel of death was surprised and tell told the Solomon that, "My lord, I have not given any worthful look to that person. I follow the command of God where I need to where I follow commands of God, and today I have to take pitiful life of that person." And I was very surprised even if he had millions of wings, how he had carried to India in time. So this is all about today's story, and if I know that I have made a lot of mistakes, and you have noticed also. If you find, and you can comment down my mistakes, so I will I will improve in my further videos. And today, so this all about the story. Let's discuss the vocabulary I learned from this story. I have new four new words. First is distressed. Distressed. Second is distraught. Third is anguish, and fourth is beckoned. Beckoned means giving a gesture to come forward. Distressed means very extremely stressed. Distraught means extremely sad. Anguish mean pareshan. So pareshan, or a kind of worry, anxious person. So these are the four words I learned in this video. I hope you like the video. I hope you saw the whole video, and I will try to improve my video for my communications in further videos. So this all about today. So bye bye.